As promised, here is the other Instant Pot that we ordered. We did the video last time on the Duo, but this is the Pro. So I got the Duo, but I decided I wanted to have two. So I went ahead and got this. So we're going to unbox this Instant Pot 10-in-1. The other one's a 9-in-1. This one's a 10-in-1. A little bit fancier. So I wanted this one too. So we got it. So let's open this up and see what we got. A nice set of directions. Extra rain, which is nice. Some of the things on the box, it says it's pressure cook, rice, steam, saute, slow cook, sous vide, like the other one, yogurt, bake, sterilize, and keep warm. So that's what's included. And it also has a steam rack included, which is nice. Here's the other side of the box. Yeah, ooh, it says you can do cheesecake. That's exciting. We need to do some kind of cake. Never done a cake in a pressure cooker before. Alrighty. And we're gonna put this side by side with the other one. See what they're like side by side. Oh, that's different. Already looks a little bit different. This has a red pop-up thingy. The other one's just a silver one. Oh, here comes Snickers in the camera shot as usual. Might as well go and show them. Loves the camera. Alright. Oh, pop that in there. All right. There's a nice view of the front of it. And the difference too with this one and the other one, I like the other one. It's great Instant Pot. This one has the handles to take out the pot, which the other one doesn't. So that's a plus because, and if you don't mind, it doesn't matter, but if you have to go get a pair of oven mitts just to get it out, that's kind of a pain. And the handles keeps it from spinning around, so that's nice. Has a bigger water catcher thing on the back. And this is red right here. So let's see. And this will be hot. Steamer rack, which the other one came with also. This one, however, has the handles, which is nice. So instead of having to get some oven mitts to grab it out, you can just, and these aren't going to get hot. So that's really a feature. And it keeps it from spinning around when you're stirring it also. So that's a plus. And then this also looks a little different than the other one. This has a little red depressurized knob that pops up, and this cover is a little different that comes off. Other than that, it looks a lot the same. So let's put these side by side. There we go. This one's bigger. Closer, Lily. The tops of them look different.
Closer?
Give me that camera. The tops look different like this. This is the Duo Plus. This is the top of the Pro. This has this cooling vent on the top too. So the tops look different. And then the back of the Duo has a little moisture catcher, and then this one has a bigger one. So if you want to do, say we want to do mac and cheese in one, and then the meat protein in this one, you have two now. And with the holidays coming, this will be nice. This is the front of the Pro and the front of the Duo. Okay, so here's a better view of the front panel with all the different selections to cook. You have your pressure cook, which you're probably gonna use a lot. You have the rice and grain, which is nice. So you can be able just to cook brown and white rice, saute, which is good to use when you're browning the meat. Before you're going to cook it, you can brown your chicken, brown your beef, whatever you want to brown first. Your onions, if you want to caramelize the onion, you can do it in the saute area. We have the slow cook, which is self-explanatory. You're just probably going to pick how long and high or low. And they have sous vide, which you can use for chicken and beef and eggs, and yogurt, which is custom settings for that. Bake. So you can bake a cake, you can do cheesecake, you can do bread, which is really neat. I think it goes up to 350 degrees. So I definitely want to try a cake and definitely want to try a cheesecake and definitely been wanting to try a soda cake. So those are a couple things I definitely want to try. And they also have these, which are your favorites. So you would pick which setting you want, and then you just push the button down for 3 seconds. And it will save whatever a setting is that you want to save, which is kind of nice. So that we don't have to go through all the motions every time. And of course, you have the keeping warm, delay start. So if you want to have a timer, what time it's going to start, that'll be nice also. So yeah, this is the front panel of the Instant Pot Pro. This is slightly more expensive than the Duo. Not a whole lot, both 8-quart. So the top of this one looks different. This has the vent on the top, the cooling vent, and then the little knob that pops up when it's depressurized is red on this one, where the other one's silver. So both make the cute little sound when you open it. This one though has better measurements on the inside where the other one doesn't. Nice stainless steel insert. And then, like I was saying before, it has the handles, which will keep it from spinning. It'll make it a lot easier to get out. So I figured if I was going to have two, I might as well get the fancy one for the second one. Since we know we like Instant Pot, we might as well have got another Instant Pot. So once again, the side-by-side view of the Instant Pot Pro and the Instant Pot Duo Plus. And we'll come back at some point cooking something. I think we cooked, the other night, we cooked some of the Olive Garden chicken in the Duo Plus, and it came out great. I think it was 7 minutes, and I think everybody knows that recipe. It's just the chicken breast, the bottle of the Olive Garden Italian dressing, and cream cheese chopped up in some pieces. Close it up 7 minutes, open it up, and just shred the chicken, and use a little whisk to blend up the cream cheese after it's done. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and hope this helped you maybe decide which one of these you want to get. I couldn't decide, so I got both. Happy cooking, guys, and see you next time.